In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable debug logs for any user in Salesforce. Debug logging is a powerful tool that allows you to trace the execution of your code in Salesforce, which is crucial for diagnosing issues and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Whether you're a developer needing to troubleshoot a particular piece of code or an admin looking to track user activity, understanding how to enable debug logs is a skill that can make a significant difference in your workflow. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the setup area, as some users might not have these rights depending on your organization's policies. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. You'll notice a gear icon, which is your gateway to a myriad of configurations. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Setup. This action will direct you to the Advanced Setup interface where all Salesforce configuration settings reside. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find a search box labeled as Quick Find. This search functionality allows you to quickly locate the option you need without having to navigate through numerous menus. Type in Debug Logs into the Quick Find box, and you should see a list of related options appear below. Click on the option labeled Debug Logs. This section will let you manage and create new debug logs as required. Once you're in the debug log section, you'll see a button labeled New on the page. Click on this button to start setting up a new debug log. This action will prompt you to define specific parameters for the debug logging session. In the field labeled Traced Entity, you'll need to specify the user for whom you want to capture debug logs. This is a crucial step, as only the activity related to this specific user will be recorded and stored in the log files. With the user selected, it's time to define the duration and level of detail for the logging. You'll have to set both the start and expiration dates for the debug logs. It's a good practice to limit the logging period to the shortest necessary time frame to avoid an overload of data, which can make it difficult to find relevant information. You'll also want to specify the debug levels like Apex code, workflow, and others to filter the activities you specifically want to track. Finally, once you've configured all these settings to your needs, hit the Save button. Your logs are now active and will begin to capture the specified user's activities as they interact with the Salesforce platform. This data can be invaluable for troubleshooting and understanding user behaviors or system interactions. By following these instructions, you will be able to efficiently track and analyze Salesforce user activities through debug logs, thus enhancing your ability to maintain and troubleshoot your Salesforce environment. Thanks for watching and happy debugging.